Yeah, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. This is GATE Stat 2021 paper, question number 11, that says M are 2 cross 2 real matrix such that I plus M whole inverse equal to I minus alpha M, where alpha is a non-zero real number and I is 2 cross 2 identity matrix. If the trace of this matrix is 3, then what is the value of alpha? So look at the equation given. So the equation given is equal to I plus M whole inverse is equal to I minus alpha M. Multiply both sides with I plus M, then what do you get? I equal to I plus M times I minus alpha M. So this is equal to I squared plus M minus alpha M alpha M square. So that implies that this identity cancelled out. So what you get is alpha M squared. If I take everything to the left hand side, what I get? Alpha M squared plus alpha M minus M is equal to plus I equal minus I equal to 0. So now divide, so I identity goes out, divide by alpha, what do we get? M squared plus alpha minus 1 by alpha times M equal to 0. Then if you know the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, then it says that the characteristic polynomial, the matrix satisfies its characteristic polynomial, and the characteristic polynomial is a 2-degree monic polynomial which is unique, which is satisfied by M. So here it is, so this is the characteristic polynomial x square plus alpha minus 1 by alpha times x equal to 0. So and this is equal to, so this is equal to minus the trace equal to alpha minus 1 by alpha. So that means minus 3 equal to alpha minus 1 by alpha. That means alpha minus 1 equal to minus 3 alpha. That means 4 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. So that means alpha equal to 1 upon 4. So let us look at the options. Option D is correct. So option D